Hello guys, and in this lecture we're going to be posting our word of the day and its definition and part of speech onto Twitter. As you can see, I've already opened up the file that we had from last lecture. So now we just have to load in our Twitter credentials. So I'm just going to paste in the code that we had from another lecture which taught us how to post a tweet. And so here's just the code. I just used all the keys, all of the API keys, and I just authorize this program with Tweetbee. So then we have all of our codes in there. So now all we have to do is we're going to go down to the bottom, and we are, instead of just creating this F string, we're just going to delete this right here, and we're going to have word of the day. That's what this acronym stands for. And then we're going to have underscore tweet. And then we're going to set that equal to an F string, and it's going to be today. And then we can't use another single apostrophe because we are already using that wrapping around the string. So what we can do is escape it so then it doesn't think that we're opening up a new string. So then we can do today's hashtag word of the day, so then it appears in that hashtag category is, and then we're also going to have another escape single apostrophe, and then we're going to have word of the day underscore of the day, and then we're going to pull out that word key, and then we're going to have another escape single apostrophe, and then we're going to put in period. So we're saying that today's word of the day is, and then it's going to put out that word. And then we're also going to say it means, and then we're going to have escape out another word of the day, and then we're going to, this time we're going to call in the definition key. Now we have to just put in another single apostrophe, and then as a, and then finally, let me just copy this. And then we're going to have part underscore of speech. So then now we have our tweet formatted that we're going to be posting onto Twitter. So this will just post it every single time that this program is ran. So all we have to do is now we just have to post the tweet. And I have actually included a GIF that I'm going to attach to this tweet because everybody knows that tweets with images get much more notice than just text. We're going to have API.update underscore with media, and then we're going to have the location of the image, and it's just words.gif, and then the tweet is going to be word of the day underscore tweet. And so now it's just going to print out our random word with its definition, and we won't have any errors because we already handled this in the last lecture. And so now we should be able to just run this program, and it'll post it onto our Twitter account. So let's see if this works. Python, and then put in the name. Okay, so this will probably take a little bit longer, and now it's ran, and we should be able to go into our Twitter account, refresh the page, and today's word of the day is hairs. It means filamentous hair-like growth on a plant as a noun. Well, that's some obscure definition, and I actually just realized I forgot a period there. And let's just run it again and post another tweet and refresh the page. Today's word of the day is delights. It means a feeling of extreme pleasure or satisfaction as a noun. So now we can just post all of these tweets. And in the next lecture, we're going to be learning how to automate this. So then it automatically does this every like 24 hours and posts it in like a certain time frame. So like maybe we want it to post between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. So we'll learn that in the next lecture. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you stick around for the next lecture.